Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. How are you, my dear children? So now I am fine. So to discuss about metric measures. Okay? From your workbook, page number 29. See, listen carefully, everybody. From your workbook, page number 29. See here, listen carefully. 4 snails have decided to participate in a race. Answer the questions given below to help the judges decide the order of the winners. So these are the snails. First one, how far ahead is snail 2 from snail 1? See, you can count how far ahead is snail 2 from snail 1. You can count. This is the snail 1, this is the snail 2, you can count. See. So the snail 1, where it is, so it is 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter, and snail 2 5 centimeter to 6 centimeter. So you can count. So 1 to 2 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. Ahead of 5 centimeters. Now next one. How far is snail 4 from the start line? How far is snail 4 from the start line? See here, from 0 to 14 centimeters. So you can write 14 centimeter. First one is 5 centimeter. Second one is 14 centimeter. Third one, see. Third one, how much distance should snail 3 have to cover to reach the current position of snail 4? See, this is also 5 centimeters. See here, snail 3 9 to 10 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So you can write 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Now fourth one, how far ahead is snail 4 from snail 2? See beta, snail 2 where is located? 5 to 6 centimeter, and snail 4 13 to 14, so centimeter. See here, you can count 5 to 6 1 centimeter, 6 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 5 6 7 8 9 centimeter. So you can write here 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. First one is 5 centimeter, second one is 14 centimeter, third one is 5 centimeter, last one is 9 centimeter. Now next, page number 30 beta. See here, solve the following word problems. Solve the following word problems. Listen carefully. If Shamul runs 5.5 kilometers every day, how much distance would be run in 1 week? See here, if Shamul runs 5.5 kilometers every day, how much distance would he run in 1 week? 1 week. See here, distance covered by distance covered by Shamul in 1 day. In 1 day. So that is equals to every day, that is cost 5.5 kilometer. So 5.5 kilometers means 5 kilometer 500 meter. Now it can be written as 5.500 kilometers. Now next, how much distance would he run in 1 week? So here 1 week, that is equals to 7 days. Distance covered by Shamul in 1 week, that is equals to 5 kilometer 500 meter into 7. Here kilometer meter, 5 kilometer 500 meter into 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, 5 taking carrying 3, next 7 5s are 35, 3 is added to 35, you can get 38. See right here 38. So 38 kilometer 500 meter. Distance covered by Shamul in 1 week, that is equals to 38 kilometer 500 meter. It can be written as 38.5 kilometer. Next question, a red ribbon has a length of 2 meter 40 centimeter. A red ribbon has a length of 2 meter 40 centimeter. A blue ribbon is 3 times longer. Blue ribbon is 3 times longer. So the length of blue ribbon, that is equals to 2 meter 40 centimeter is multiply with 3, you can get the length of blue ribbon. See here, what is the length of the red and blue ribbons together? So first you can write here the length of a red ribbon. Length of a red ribbon, that is equals to 2 meter 40 centimeters. Now next, the length of blue ribbon, that is equals to 2 meter 40 centimeter multiplied by 3, means 3 times. See here, you can write meters, centimeters separately. 2 meter 40 centimeter into 3. See, 3 0 0, 3 4s are 12, 2 taking carrying 1, 3 2s are 6, 1 is added to 6, you can get 7. So therefore the length of a blue ribbon, that is equals to 7 meter 20 centimeters. Next, the length of red and blue ribbons, that is equals to red ribbon 2 meter 40 centimeter plus 7 meter 20 centimeter. That is equals to, you can write separately, meters, centimeter, 2 meter 40 centimeter, 7 meter 20 centimeter. See here, 0, 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 7, 9. Therefore, the length of red and blue ribbons, that is equals to 9 meter 60 centimeter. Now next, Mohan has travelled a total distance of 15 kilometer and 250 meter. Mohan has travelled a total distance of 15 kilometer 250 meter. He travelled 10 kilometer 360 meter by bus. See here, he travelled 10 kilometers 360 meters by bus and rest on an auto. So find the distance travelled by auto. See here, total distance travelled by Mohan. Total distance Mohan, that is equals to 15 kilometer 250 meter. Distance travelled by bus. That is equals to 10 kilometer 360 meter. Next, distance travelled by auto. That is equals 10 kilometer 360 meter subtracted from 15 kilometer 250 meter. So I can write here 15 kilometer 250 meter minus 10 kilometer 360 meter. Then you can write the columns of meters and kilometers and meters. See here, 15 kilometer 250 meter, next 10 kilometer 360 meters. See here, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 6 possible beta? Not possible. Take borrowing from 2. You can use 10. 10 is added to 5. You can get 15. 2 it can last one. 2 becomes 1. 15 minus 6. what we get? 9. See, you can count 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 beta. Now next, 1 minus 3 possible beta, not possible. Take borrowing from 5, 10 gives 10, 10 is added to 1, 10 get 11. So 5 it can last one, 5 becomes 4. See here, 11 minus 3, 8. Next, 4 minus 0, 4, 1 minus 1, 0. See, therefore, distance travelled by auto, that is equals to 4 kilometer 890 meter. Now next, a shopkeeper bought A shopkeeper bought 680 meter 479 centimeter of cloth. He found that 292 meter 409 centimeter of cloth was damaged. What length of the cloth is in good condition? See here, listen carefully better. The length of the cloth bought by shopkeeper that is equals to 680 meter 479 centimeter beta. See here, 479 centimeter converting to meters and centimeters. See here, 680 meter 680 meter. See here, 680 meters means 6 meter 80 centimeters. So you can write it here 6 meter 80 centimeter plus here 479 centimeter means, so 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. See beta, here listen carefully. 680 meter 680 meter 479 meters. So these are the total 680 meter. See, 680 meter you can write as it is 680 meter. See, 479 centimeter in it plus 4 meter 79 centimeter. So 4 meter is added to 680 meter. So that is equals to 684 meter plus 79 centimeter. You can write 684 meter 79 centimeter. That's it. Now next, the length of damaged cloth. Length of damaged cloth. that is equals to 292 meter 409 centimeter. So you can write 292 meter plus in it 4 meter 09 centimeter means 9 centimeter beta. See here 292 plus 4 296 296 meter plus 9 centimeters. You can write 296 meter 9 centimeters. So what is the length of the cloth is in good condition. The length of the cloth is in good condition. The length of the cloth is in good condition. That is equals to, see here 684 meter 684 meter 79 centimeter minus 296 meter 9 centimeter. See here you can write separates meter and centimeter. Here meter centimeter 684 meter 79 centimeter 296 meter 9 centimeter means 09 beta. See here 9 minus 9 0, 7 minus 0 7, 4 minus 6 possible, not possible, take borrowing from 8. Here 14, here 7, 8 it can last 7. 14 minus 6, 8. 7 minus 9 not possible, take borrowing from 6, it can give 10, 10 is added to 7, you can get 17. 6 it can last 1, 6 becomes 5. See 17 minus 8, 9. 17 minus 9 you can get 8. Next 5 minus 2 you can get 3. So 388 meter 70 centimeter. See here therefore the length of the cloth is in good condition. That is equals to 388 meter 70 centimeter. Next, the length of 4 rivers in India are as follows. River length in kilometers: Brahmaputra 2900 kilometer, Ganga 2510 kilometer, Godavari 1450 kilometer, Narmada 1290 kilometers. See, write the names of the rivers. Write the names of the rivers in ascending order of their lengths. See here, write the names of the rivers in ascending order of the length. See here, write the names of the rivers in ascending order of their lengths. See here, first one, ascending order. See which is the smallest number? 2900, 2510, 1450, 1290. See, Narmada. You can write Narmada. Next, Godavari. Godavari is 1450. So next, Ganga 2510. Next, Brahmaputra 2900. See here, how much longer is river Ganga than river Godavari? So here we have to take 2510 minus Godavari 1450. 0 minus 0, 0. See, 1 minus 5 not full because 1 is less than 5. You have to take borrowing from 5. It can give 10. 10 is added to 1. You can get that is 11. So 5 it can last 1. Here 4. 11 minus 5, 6. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. So 1060 kilometers. You can write everybody. Now next question. Which river is longer? Godavari, Narmada. So Godavari has 1450 kilometers, Narmada has 1290 kilometers. See which river is longer. Now here Godavari. Write down everybody Godavari. Like this. Now next question. Mount Everest is 29,028 feet high. Mount Kilimanjaro is 19,340 feet high. By how many feet is Mount Everest taller than Kilimanjaro? See here, listen carefully. The height of Mount Everest. The height of Mount Everest. Mount Everest, that is equals to 29,028 feet. Next, the height of Mount Kilimanjaro. Is equals to 19,340 feet. Now here their difference. Their difference is equals to 29,028 feet minus 19,340 feet. See here, 29,028 minus 19,340. 8 minus 0, 8. 2 minus 4 not possible. Take borrowing from 0. Here there is no number, so depend on 9. So here 10, here 12. So 10 it can last one, here 9, 8 it can 9 it can last one, here 8. 12 minus 4, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. Yeah. 8 minus 9 possible beta? Not possible. Now take borrowing from 2. So 2 is giving borrow to 10. 10 is added to 8. You can get 18. Now next 2 it can last 1. 2 becomes 1. 18 minus 9 you can get 9. 1 minus 1 0. So 9,688 feet is Mount Everest taller than Kilimanjaro. See here. So 9,688 feet is Mount Everest taller than Kilimanjaro. Now next, a rabbit covers 1 meter 85 centimeter in one hoof. Hoof means jumping by 1 foot. Jumping by 1 foot, like this only. A rabbit covers 1 meter 85 centimeter in one hoof. How many hoofs should it make to cover distance of 1 kilometer 110 meter? See here. Rabbit covers distance in one hoof, that is equals to 1 meter 85 centimeter. See here, meter is converting to centimeter, that is equals to 1 meter is equals to 1 into 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter plus 85 centimeter, you can get 185 centimeter. Now next, total distance covered by rabbit. That is equals to 1 kilometer 110 meter. Kilometer is converted to meter. That is equals to 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1000 meter plus 110 meter. You can get 1110 meter. Again, meter is converting to centimeters. So that is equals to 1110 into 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. See, you can get how many zeros you can write? 2 zeros. 1,11,000 centimeters. So number of popes. One lakh 11,000 divided by 185. So if we take 3 digits from left to right side, that is 111 is less than 185. So I have to take 4 digits. Where it is possible? Six five are 30. Carrying 0, take it. 6 8 are 48, 48 plus 3, 51, 1 take it. 5 carry, 6 1 are 6, 6 plus 5 11. Very nice. 185, 6 are 1110. So 1110 minus 1110 you can get 0. Now bring down 0 to the remainder. So 185 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 0. Again bring down 0 to the remainder. So 185 zeros are 0. Therefore number of popes is equals to 600. Therefore thank you everybody.